Namaste student, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic Theory of Organic Evolution, Lamarck Theory. First theory of evolution was proposed by Lamarck. He explained it in this famous book, Philosophic Zoology. Lamarck held that organisms acquire character during their lifetime for adapting to environment, and their acquired characters are inherited by offspring. By accumulation of acquired character over many generations, the species is modified into a new one. Adaptation and speciation. Lamarck noticed that organisms adapted to a particular niche had well developed specialized organs. For example, a carnivore will have long canine teeth to grip its prey. Vestigial organs, small non-functional organs. Example is the appendix in human, the internal hind limbs of whales, and the internal leg of some species of snakes. Comparative anatomy show that these organs resembled those which were much more developed with particular functions in other species. The law of use and disuse. He proposed that if an organs is used a lot, it will develop and strengthen. If it is not used, it will atrophy. He called this the law of use and disuse. Lamarck versus Darwin. Lamarck theory required adaptation to create new variations. This was followed by the inheritance of these characteristics. Darwin's theory requires random heredity variations, first followed by selection of the variations. The argument was over when Mendel's law of genetics were rediscovered at the end of 19th centuries. Variations are due to hereditary traits passing from one generation to the next in predictable frequencies. Disproving Lamarck characteristics acquired during the lifetime of a parent are not passed on to the offspring. An athlete who develops a large muscle mass through training does not have children who already possess this large muscle mass. Children has children of a noble laureate may not be intelligent as a parents. Boring of ear and nose and Indian. Lamarckianism in evolution theory today. Behavior can be different. Some behavior patterns are innate and will also evolve in by natural selection. Learned behavior pattern can be changed in a generation. Members of a social group who have acquired and behavior in their lifetimes will pass these learned skills on to others, including their children. This pattern of evolution resembles the Lamarckian patterns. The evolution of learned behavior is much faster than genetic evolution, and it plays an important role in human cultural evolution. Thank you.